What is going on, guys? Eric from Bolts and Banter here with another video. It is going to be a quick one today. We are working on this Nissan Titan. It's brand new and we are going to add a little accessory to it that will not only help it with towing and recovery, but also help it from a more common issue that we have here in New York, and that is scratches on the bumper. So without further ado, this is the Nilight 2-inch shackle hitch receiver kit, and what it does is it mounts to your tow hitch and it gives you a little hook that you can use to tow things, but for the most part this is going to be used to protect it against people that decide that this bumper will be used as a parking guide. This truck is going to be spending a lot of time on the streets of New York City, and unfortunately what happens in the city is people don't really care about this bumper that has no scratches. And yes, while it might be a pickup truck and we don't really care about wear and tear on it, we also don't want people to be using this bumper as a guide. So this little hitch here will be the first point of contact for any car that decides to get too close. And not only that, we are planning to bring this to the beach this year, and one requirement for the beach is to have the appropriate recovery gear. This will not only be good for potentially towing the truck out of a ditch, but also for helping other people who could also potentially get stuck. Inside the box, it's really simple. We have this tow hook, and it is gloss black. So Nilight has a bunch of these in different colors. They have white, blue, red. They don't have orange. Nilight, if you were watching this, I think orange would be nice to add to the arsenal of colors, but this is powder coated. It is very nice in finish, and it also comes with a little rubber protector here. That way you don't scratch the finish while you're doing tow duties with it. Along with that, you get the hitch pin, but I actually asked Nilight if they would send me a different hitch pin, because the pin that comes with it is just your standard pin with a little lock pin at the end. Unfortunately, there's no actual lock to this, so if somebody wanted to pull this off and, I don't know, maybe break your window or steal it, they could do that. So we are going to be putting in this, which is also from Nilight. It comes with not only the locking pin itself, but also a bunch of these O-rings, and these O-rings will help vibrations. Nilight gives you everything in this kit to install this onto any truck or SUV that has a standard tow mount, but the one thing that we are going to add to this is electric tape. And the reason why we're going to add electric tape is to make sure that this hitch attachment doesn't rattle inside the receiver itself. Anyway, enough talking. We are going to install this, but before that, we're just going to mock up to see where we can put this tape, and then we're going to put you guys on time lapse while we put this in. Right, guys, this is what the Nilight tow hitch looks like completely installed. Super easy install. Just had to wrap a little bit of electric tape in there, that way the rattling is reduced. And these don't ship with this Titan, so you might want to tighten that up. Some other companies include more of these plastic washers. Nilight already has 2 washers pre-installed, so yes, this will rattle a little bit during bumps. So that is one thing I would recommend, if Nilight could include more of these washers in the package. That way you don't get any of this side-to-side movement. Other than that, it is a really good item and it looks really nice in gloss black. You get a couple more inches of the tow hitch sticking out, so like I said, when you guys are parking, they'll hit that first instead of your expensive bumper with these expensive bumper sensors on it. that does it for this video. If you guys want to see more product reviews just like this, don't forget to comment, like this video, and consider subscribing to Bolts and Banter for more automotive content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.